someone asking about factor 5. How should we approach this if we are a mental health company contracting with mental health providers? Factor 5.
Factor 5, you're kind of screwed. It's this one that you're going to fail.
Okay.
It's this one that you're going to fail. So it's funny, the example that the Department of Labor used in their, I forget how many page guidance is, they used apple pickers on a farm. And they said, well, an apple farm, that is. They said, this is an example of work that is just so integral to the business. There's just, there's no way that it could be done without them, right? So it's a factor that works against them. Whereas the one that they said is not integral is they said a CPA or maybe a lawyer, although I beg to differ on the lawyer.
Yeah,
Right?
on the lawyer part, huh?
But they said a CPA, for an apple farm, they just come in, they do the taxes, and they're out of there. So it's not an integral part, although I'm sure the CPA will say, without filing your taxes, you're screwed. So that was the example and guidance they gave. I think it's pretty hard to argue that without the mental health professional, how could you deliver mental health services? So not a fun factor.
That makes sense.